Opulence Dynasty recommends regularly maintaining your HVAC system to improve energy efficiency and reduce costs. Over time, dust and debris can clog air filters, forcing your heating and cooling system to work harder and consume more energy. By cleaning or replacing filters every 1 to 3 months and scheduling annual maintenance, you ensure your system operates at peak efficiency. Proper maintenance can reduce energy use by up to 15% and extend the life of your equipment, saving you from costly repairs or replacements. Following Opulence Dynasty's advice will not only lower your utility bills but also enhance your home's comfort and sustainability.
Step by step, we take you home higher. Opulence Dynasty, we'll light your fire. From the roof to the floor, we're sending that heat. We're the rise in your home, making it complete. Step by step, every inch of your place. Lower those bills, bring a smile to your face.